Om Namah Shivaya children. I am back with our remaining topics of first chapter, synthetic fibers and plastics. So let's start. In previous class, we have discussed about synthetic fibers and types of synthetic fibers. In this session, we will cover advantages of synthetic fibers, disadvantages of synthetic fibers, characteristics of synthetic fibers, plastics, and some activities for you. Advantages of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are more durable and affordable, which makes them more popular than natural fiber. Synthetic fibers do not depend either on an agricultural crop and on animal farming. They are generally cheaper than natural fiber. They dry up quickly, readily available, and easy to maintain. They are available in variety of colors. But synthetic fibers have some disadvantages also. So let's discuss disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers melt on heating. The fabric melts and stick to the body of the person wearing it. Therefore, we should not wear synthetic clothes while cooking in the kitchen or in a laboratory. Some electrical charge accumulates on the synthetic fibers. So, electrical charge causes irritation of the skin. Synthetic fibers do not absorb sweat or moisture, hence not preferred for summer days. We prefer to wear cotton dresses in summer. These are not biodegradable. Children, do you know all the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum origin called petrochemicals. Now, we will discuss the characteristics of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers possess unique characteristics which make them popular dress materials. They dry up quickly, are durable, less expensive, readily available, and easy to maintain. They soak less water than the natural fiber. They take less time to dry. Children, nowadays we use many plastic articles in our daily life, don't we? Let us discuss about plastic and its uses. Plastic is also a polymer like the synthetic fiber. Polymer means combination of small repeating units called monomers. This we have already discussed in previous class. All plastics do not have the same type of arrangement of units. In some it is linear, whereas in others it is cross-linked. See, this is the linear arrangement of monomers. This is the cross-linked arrangement of monomers. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes. Children, have you ever wondered how this is possible? Because plastic is easily moldable, that is, can be shaped in any form. Plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheets, or made into wires. For this reason, it finds such a variety of uses. Polythene is an example of plastic. Poly plus ethene, it gives polythene. In this picture, you can see this is an ethene molecule. By combining a number of ethene molecules, polythene is formed. It is used for making commonly used polythene bags. Children, can all the plastic articles be bent easily? No. Some plastic items can be bent easily, while some can be broken when forced to bend. When we add hot water to some plastic bottles, they get deformed. The plastic which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. Example, polythene and PVC. These are used for manufacturing toys, homes, and various types of containers. These can be molded repeatedly. Then comes thermosetting plastics. The plastics which when molded once get hardened and cannot be softened by heating are called thermosetting plastics. Example, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is used for making electrical switches and handles of various utensils. Melamine is a versatile material. It resists fire and can tolerate heat better than other plastics. It is used for making floor tiles, kitchenware, and fabrics which resist fire. Now, we will discuss some characteristics of plastics. Plastic as materials of choice. Plastic containers seem most convenient for storing food items like water, milk, pickles, dry food, etc. This is because of their lightweight, lower price, good strength, and easy handling. Being lighter as compared to metals, plastics are used in cars, aircrafts, and spacecrafts too. The list of uses of plastics in various areas will be endless if we start counting. Then, plastic is non-reactive. All of you know that metals like iron get rusted when left exposed to moisture and air. But plastics do not react with water and air. They are not corroded easily. For this reason, they are used to store various kinds of materials, including many chemicals. Plastics are used to store many chemicals as being non-reactive. Plastic is light, strong, and durable. In earlier days, our parents and grandparents were used most of the household things that were made up of metals, like buckets, mugs, food storage materials, etc. But nowadays, we use most of things made up of plastics. Children, can you tell me what is the reason of using the plastic in a vast way? Since plastic is very light, strong, durable, can be molded into different shapes and sizes, it is used for various purposes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. They are widely used in industry and for household articles. Plastics are poor conductors. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. For this reason, electrical wires have plastic covering and handles of screwdrivers and frying pans are made of plastics. Plastics find extensive use in the healthcare industry. Some uses are the packaging of tablets, threads used for stitching wounds, syringes, doctor's gloves, and a number of medical instruments. Plastic cookware is used in microwave ovens for cooking food. In microwave ovens, the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. Teflon is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. It is used for non-stick coating cookwares. Although fireproof plastics. Although synthetic fiber catches fire easily, but the uniform of firemen have coating of melamine plastic to make them flame resistant. Then we will discuss plastics and the environment. Children, when we go to the market, we usually get things wrapped in plastics or packed in polythene bags. In this way, plastic waste keep getting accumulated in our homes, and like this it goes to the garbage. But disposal of plastic is a major problem. Plastics do not get decomposed easily. A material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as action by bacteria is called biodegradable. Example, dry leaves, vegetables, and fruit peels, etc. A material which is not easily decomposed by natural process is termed as non-biodegradable. Example, plastic. See, I have a table here which shows the time taken by different materials to decompose. From this table, we observe that plastic takes several years to decompose. So, it is not environmental friendly. It causes environmental pollution. It is not get completely burned easily. In the process of burning, it releases lots of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. Children, when we throw the garbage in dump areas along the waste food materials, we throw the polythene bags and plastic wrappers of food and plastic bottles and so many things. In that garbage dump areas, we have seen that the animals are eating the garbage. In the process of eating the food waste, the animals swallow materials like polythene bags and wrappers of food. The plastic material chokes the respiratory system of these animals or forms a lining in their stomachs and can be the cause of death. The polybags carelessly thrown here and there are responsible for clogging the drains. Sometimes we are very careless and throw the wrappers of chips, biscuits and other eatables on the road or in parks or in picnic places. We should not do such type of actions. As a responsible citizen, we should keep public places clean and free of plastics. Now we will discuss some steps for the clean environment. We should avoid the use of plastics as far as possible, like use steel lunch box and water bottle instead of plastic one. Make a habit to use of bags made up of cotton or jute. It is better to recycle plastic waste. Most of the thermoplastics can be recycled. Children, you can see here, this is the process of recycling of plastic. First, the plastic wastes are to be sorted and collected. Then plastic is transported to the plastic factory. Then it's sent for further processing. And finally, plastic is made into new products. The biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste should be collected and disposed separately. As a responsible citizen, we should remember the 5R principle, that is reduce, reuse, recycle, recover and refuse. Reduce. Children, how can we reduce our plastic use? We can reduce our plastic use by these simple tips. We can bring our own shopping bag, carry a reusable water bottle, bring our own cup, pack our lunch in reusable containers. Like this, by applying all these tips, we can reduce our plastic use. Then comes reuse. We can reuse the plastic articles for several times to make some usable things in our home or our surroundings. Then comes recycle. We can also recycle the plastics. Reuse, reduce, recycle of plastics can sustain our future. Recover. Now it is the time to recover. We can also get recovering energy from waste plastics. Refuse. We should refuse to use plastics to save our environment. Children, hope you have understood the topics that we have discussed today. Read all the topics thoroughly. Now it is time for some activities for you. You have to complete question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 13 given in page number 41 in science textbook. In chemistry, copy. Perform activity 3.2 given in page number 37 in science book and write the observation and conclusion in chemistry copy. Prepare one usable product by reusing waste plastic materials. Now children, we will meet in another session with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Namaste. Bye. Thank you.